Welcome to Ayurveda by Dr. S. Gopal. Now I want to tell about heart, Hridayam. Nowadays there are many problems related to cancer, cardiac problems, related to heart diseases. So now I want to tell some few points about heart, Hridayam. Adhe dasa mahamulaha samasaktaha mahafalaha mahachardhacha hridayam paryayirchate budaihi. Experts of Ayurveda people mentioned heart or hridaya as a ardha, mahat, hridayam. Ardhe means it is ardha, very valuable. Usually, valuable things are money, gold, land, houses, etc. But according to Ayurveda, here, very valuable things, heart or hridayam is a very valuable. That's why Ayurvedic people it is mentioned as a synonym ardha. Second is mahat. Mahat means it is a great importance as a biological value. That's why heart or hridayam described are synonyms given as a ardha, mahat, and hridayam. It is having mahamulas, ardhe dasa mahamula. It is having 10 roots. Usually, roots for a plant, root is very important. When we are giving water to the roots, it will absorb through roots and it will grow plant. Similarly, 10 vessels or blood vessels connected to the heart. These are Mahamula, like that mentioned, very great roots. And Samasakta Mahaphala, it gives rise to these 10 roots or arteries connected to the heart, give good health all over the body because of their normal circulation, etc. As mentioned as a Mahaphala. And heart having many things, our Hridayam having many things according to Ayurveda. Shadangamangam, Vijnanam, Indriya Arthapanchakam, Atma cha Sagunachetaha, Sityam cha Hrudi Samsritam. Our Hridaya, our heart, is seat for Shadangamangam. Six parts of our body depend upon heart only. Two upper limbs, two lower limbs, trunk, and head. These are the Shadangas of our body. These all six parts continue their activity because of heart. Second is Vijnanam, or consciousness, or knowledge. All these things because of heart only. And third one, Indriyas, all sense faculties or organs, sense organs, Indriya. Ardha Panchakam, this sense objectives, Sabda Sparsa Rupa Rasa Gandha. These five things, sense organs and the senses, sense objectives. Sense objectives like Sabda Sparsa Rupa Rasa Gandha. These are also connected to the or related to the heart. Atma cha saguna chetaha. Atma, even Atma or soul, also seat heart only. It is associated Atma cha saguna chetaha. Happiness, etc. associated with Atma, also related to heart. Not only this, Sincham cha Hrudi Samsritam, even Manas also with their activities, Icha, Dvesha, all these things, Sharangamangam, Vijnanam, Indriyam, Ardhapanchakam, Atma cha Saguna, Chetaha, Sincham cha Hrudi Samsritam. These all things, Sincham, Uhyam, means we are thinking. We are, what are the things? We are thinking all these things because of heart only. Tasyopaghatam murchayam bheda maranam uchati. If any injury, little injury to heart, person may be murcha, means he may be syncope or he may get fits, etc. Tasyopaghata, any small injury. Bheda maranam uchati. If any little severe injury, person may die. So these two things mentioned. Any small injury, person may get fits, etc. If any big injury, person may die. That's why heart mentioned it is a ardha mahat. And edita this person Vijnanam. So this heart only main cause for all our body sense. We are getting sense anywhere in the body because of heart only. That's why it is mentioned Sparsa Vijnanam. Dhari, it is a seat for all the essential things like Ojas, etc. Tat Tasparasya Ojas. sthanam. It is a seat for Ojosthanam. Oja means it is like essence of the all body tissues. Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Majja, Asti, Majja, Sukra. Their essence only we will call as a Ojas. It is cause for life and death. If it is situated in the heart, person will live long life. If it is diminished or loss, then person may die. That type of ojas we will call as a para ojas. In our body, two types of ojas are there: para ojas, apara ojas. Apara oja is ardhanjali pramana, and para oja is 8 drops. This para oja is situated in the heart. It is cause for the chaitanya sangraha. A person, the parasya ojas sthanam. It is a seat for Ojosthanam. Oja means it is like essence of the all body tissues. Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Majja, Asti, Majja, Sukra. Their essence only we will call as a Ojas. It is cause for life and death. If it is situated in the heart, person will live long life. If it is diminished or loss, then person may die. That type of ojas we will call as a para ojas. In our body, two types of ojas are there: para ojas, apara ojas. Apara oja is ardhanjali pramana, and para oja is 8 drops. This para oja is situated in the heart. It is cause for the chaitanya sangraha. A person having activity or consciousness, it is because of that para ojas or that 8 drops of ojas. That is only we will call as a immunity or వ్యాధిక్షమత్వ శక్తి ఆర్ బల ఎట్సెట్రా. హృదయం మహదర్థచ్చ తస్మాదుక్తం చికిత్సకైః. తన్మహత్ తా మహామూలః తచ్చౌజసః. In our heart, tanmahat. Tanmahat means here hridayam, mahat or ardha. Second is mahamula. This heart vessels, 10 vessels, we call as a mahaphala, great fruits. Tatsaujasah. Tatsaujasah means that ojas. These 3 things: mahat, that is heart; mahamula, that 10 roots or cardiac vessels; ojas means this immunity material, that is para ojas, 8 drops. These 3 things, parirakshata, always we have to save. If we protect these 3 things, we can avoid heart diseases and we can give good health for that particular individuals, and they can live even 100 years. What are the things we have to protect? One is the mahat, that is a heart. Second is the mahamula, that 10 heart vessels, blood vessels connected to the heart. And ojas, that immunity or para ojas, which is 8 drops in the heart. Or it is, according to modern, it may be blood supply to the cardiac muscle, coronary blood, that is 8 drops. 8 drops of blood, 8 drops of blood situated in the coronary vessels. These 3 things. How to protect? Ayurveda very beautifully mentioned. There are 6 methods to protect these 3 things: heart connected blood vessels, that coronary arteries, and ojas, that paraojas, immunity material or essence of the body tissues. First one is very important: pariharya visheshena manaso dukkha hetavaha. We have to avoid causes which create or trouble manas. Manaso dukkha hetava. What are the problems? What are the things which affect our manas? Means mainly kama, krodha, moha, mada, matsalya, lobha, or other jealousy. All these things, or depression, anxiety, all these things mainly we have to avoid. That is first thing to protect heart and heart vessels and immunity materials or coronary blood, whatever it may be. We can protect because of we have to avoid psychological causes. That is very important. That's why Ayurveda mentioned pariharyo visheshena manaso dukkha hetava. Second is hrudyam. Second things we have to, what are the things good for heart we have to do. For example, garlic, best for heart. We have to use. Like that many things are there. Or even amla rasa, like pomegranate or mango. Like this some fruits also mentioned. Madhifala. Madhifala fruit also very good for heart. Like that many things mentioned which are good for heart. These are the things we have to adapt. This is second. Third one, Ojasyam, good for Ojas. First one is Pariharena, Manaso Dukkha Hetava. Second is Hurjam, which are good for heart. Third one is Ojasyam, means which is good for Ojas to increase body immunity. Or Ojas, that para Ojas we mentioned, no? Usually ghee, cow ghee, or second milk, like that some food and drinks we can use to increase the Ojas. And fourth one is Srotasam et Prasadanam, and cleaning of this blood vessels. Srotasam means vessels which circulate the blood, etc. These are, we have to, Prasadanam means we have to make clearance, or we have to clarity should be there. These are the fourth one. And fifth one, Tatsevyam Praitrena. Tatsevyam Praitrena means we have to take food and diet or drinks which gives rise to cleaning the blood circulation channels. All these things. Fifth one is Prasamo. Prasamo means calmness. Santi, Prasanti. Means we have to avoid stress and strain, anxiety, or mental stress. All these things we have to avoid and maintain always peacefulness. Means calm or calmness. And last and sixth one is Jnanamevacha. Jnanamevacha means here wisdom. We have to increase knowledge. Knowledge of which is good, which is bad, or which is true. All these things we have to have. These are the 6 things we have to maintain to avoid any diseases related to heart and blood vessels. Thank you one and all.